What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. I have a freaking awesome video in store for you today. Today I'm going to show you how to style your hair just like Chris Hemsworth. So, let's get started. Good morning, crew. Fast forwarding in time a little bit here because I forgot to mention today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. So if you guys don't already know, Rose Gold and Black is a continual sponsor of the channel. They make some of my favorite jewelry pieces on the market and they have the best prices ever. They're so affordable and they're so sick. So click on that link in the description of this video. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com and get yourself some of the most high quality jewelry for some of the best prices. Alright, now back to the regularly scheduled program. Alright, so as always, the first thing that we need to do when styling our hair is to go ahead and shampoo and condition it, get all the product out, and start absolutely fresh. So let's do that. Alright, so my hair has now been shampooed and conditioned. It's all the way wet and I have plenty of room to work with my hairstyle at this point. So let's quickly break down Chris Hemsworth's recent hairstyle over the last couple of months and the last year. Over the last year or so, it's really been this relaxed, slicked back kind of look. It doesn't look like he puts a ton of effort into it. It really looks like his hair is kind of wet all the time. It looks like he just got out of the beach, and I know that's his vibe, so that's probably what he's going for with this look. So most likely he's not using a hair dryer, which would make this hairstyle very simple and very easy to achieve for most people. Now looking at his haircut a little bit further, he does have a really nice tight taper on the side of his head, and it looks like his hair is textured throughout the top to give it that broken up fingers through your hair kind of look. So let's jump into the products that I think that he would use for this type of look. So since his hairstyle does not have that matte look, it's very slick, it's very pulled back, he's definitely not using any products that have a matte finish whatsoever. He's probably using pomades, creams, something that's going to have a lighter hold that's going to give him the hold that he wants, but also leaves a little bit of room to run the fingers through his hair. So for this hairstyle tutorial, I think the best product to use is going to be Pacino's cream. Now one of the great things about Pacino's cream is that it has a medium hold, it has a semi-glossy finish, and it's very, very soft in your hair. It doesn't feel like there's a ton of product in it, so this is going to be a very great product for getting that pulled back, relaxed kind of look. So since this product has shine, and we are going for shine in this hairstyle, I'm going to use a lot more of this product than I would normally use. I am not comfortable with shine in my hair whatsoever, so this is me stepping way outside of the box, but I do this for you. So I'm gonna get a good bit of this, about the size of a quarter, and I'm gonna start working this in my hair from the back, moving to the front, and then I'm gonna focus on the front primarily because I want it to be heavy enough to weigh down when I pull my hair back. Alright, so the product is worked all the way through my hair. As you can see, I'm starting to get a little bit of volume back here where the hair is shorter and more texturized, but that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do to control this little bit of volume that I've got going on back here is I'm going to run a comb through it and use it to set my hairstyle in place. So here I have my comb, and I'm going to use the part of the comb that has the wide teeth. So that's going to give me that little bit more breakup that I'm looking for. It's going to give me that texturized look. So as I'm working this comb through my hair, I'm also going to get through these trouble spots like right here on the side and try to tame those down as best as I can, because otherwise it's going to want to stick up a lot. Because those are the shorter hairs, they've been cut to be texturized. Naturally they're going to want to stand up when you put product in them. So I'm going to tame those as best as I can, but once my hair starts to dry a little bit more, these will calm down as well. The reason I'm pulling back with my hands is so I can still keep a little bit of texture, but it also does a better job of keeping that hair down like I want it to be. So now that I have my hair pretty much pulled all the way back, it's not quite as controlled as I want it to be because this is not the direction that my hair normally lays. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to brush this textured short portion forward and use that as a baseline to lay the top on. So you'll see what I mean by that here in just a second. I'm not touching the front of my hair with the comb. I'm only touching like the middle back. Then I'm just kind of going through here with my fingers and scrunching the hair up a little bit just to create some texture. So this is the best part. This is where the hairstyle really comes together. I'm gonna take my hands, all this pulled back that I did on the front of my hair, I'm gonna ruin it, just like this. Trying not to create too much volume. I'm gonna let my hairs hang down on the side right here just like that. And if you feel like you need to come through and mess it up a little bit more, that's totally fine. Another thing that the comb was really used for in this hairstyle was mainly to get the product distributed as evenly as possible. But I still wanted to have enough heavy product in the front of my hair so that it would weigh down and lay exactly like it is doing right now. So this is pretty much the final result. And that wraps it up for today's video. Now you know how to look exactly like Chris Hemsworth with or without the Thor muscles. Whichever you are, doesn't really matter. This hairstyle is awesome, it's easy, it takes less than 5 minutes to do. It's something that anyone can achieve if they wanted to. So, if you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family. We are growing every single day on YouTube, and it would be absolutely awesome to have you a part of the crew. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next week. I'm out.